Welcome back to another room tour. Today it is the Eurostars Hotel in Seville in Spain, and this hotel is very much in the business district part of Seville and very much reflected in the layout of it. It is quite impressive. This is the 24th floor, so you do get quite a good view overlooking the whole city, even though it's not the most sunny of days today. Still get a pretty good view. It's very quiet up here as well. You've got some working space here. So you got a TV on the end of the desk in front of the bed, and some plugs, all the usual sort of features. Kind of nothing on that wall at all. You do have some extra plugs and reading lights beside the bed, like so. And this is the bed itself. Looks pretty comfy. We'll check that out later. There is some seating areas here, some more plug sockets down in the corner. And then you have the same, you've got controls here for the blinds beside the bed as well. So obviously if you do want to have a little bit of darkness in your room, you can. Plenty of storage here as well. Quite high ceilings in here, and plenty of space then. All the usual sort of features are in there. This is probably the main one, which is like, apart from all the shelving, you've got a kettle, you've got a safe, and you've got a pretty well stocked mini bar. So that's that. You've got storage hanging areas there as well. Then you've got the bathroom, which is probably the most impressive room in the whole place. Decent sized sink. Not a whole lot in terms of amenities provided. But you've got a bath there, quite nice marble, bit of lighting, and there is also then a toilet in there, separate toilet, and a shower. So you do have a double head shower in there as well. So there you go, that's a quick hotel room tour. Not a whole lot to show you here, but one thing I will tell you is that it is a very quiet hotel room. You cannot hear a sound.